What are you doing? Frogging hop. What is your sister doing? She's so weird. What are you doing, Screwball?
Hopping.
Hopping.
Like a frog.
You're silly. Well, it's Packers Sunday. Emma and I are headed to my parents' house. Grant and Aubrey are driving behind us. They have to drive separate because after the game, Grant has to go out to his parents because they're visiting my sister-in-law in Maryland. So he has to go feed the cats and change their litter, and he's gonna shovel the sidewalk up to their house because their neighbor already plowed the driveway, which is really nice of them. But we are going to watch the game for a little bit, and then we're going to go to this place called the Mitten. It's a really cool little like bar kind of thing because my aunt and uncle retired, so we're going to celebrate with them, and then we're going to come back home. But I'm really hoping that the Packers win. It's Packers versus Panthers. And what I'm hoping happens is the Packers and the Patriots make it to the Super Bowl because my brother's girlfriend, Annie, is actually a Patriots fan. So that would be really cool if the Packers and the Patriots play together in the Super Bowl. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Probably 2 and up.
I think it's either 4 or 6 hours.
She's scared because she's on a stool.
Each day on the boat. And then they give us the entire time off on excursions away from classes. So that'll be nice. It's, I think they probably have meeting rooms like conference rooms, but I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing.
Yeah, or Emma's. Hi, Emma. Was at her dad's and now we're picking her up, but it was fun. We had a good time at the retirement party, and the Packers won. They beat Dallas 26 to 20, 26 to 21, 26 to 20 or 26 to 21. I can't remember which one it was, but now next week we have to play Seattle at Seattle, so I'm kind of nervous about that, but that's okay because at least they won today. Oh, here comes Ava.
You need to eat some dinner. Why are you not eating dinner? Because Bella doesn't like to eat dinner, and she wants to eat her dinner. So num 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 nums.
You're messy.
I know. She's so gay.
What?
I said, gay.
Are you just making up sounds now?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
I don't know.
The chicken chili? Oh, that looks really gross in the camera.
Yeah, it's good. I just take some tiny bite. Just ate it.
finding your voice today, huh? Are you finding your voice today? Yeah. There. You want to talk, huh? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yeah.